People are lining up to get their eyeballs scanned. You're probably gonna lose your job to AI. Goldman Sachs predicts that AI could replace over 300 million jobs. Thanks, Sam Altman. And now Sam has a new project that's even more scary. Imagine a world where your eyeball could be the ticket to economic opportunity. It sounds like sci-fi, right? It's happening now. WorldCoin is a bold new project from Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. This isn't just a crypto startup. Their goal is to put a crypto wallet on every human smartphone, but there's a twist. To ensure you're a unique human, they've developed an eyeball scanning device called the Orb. You visit an orb, get your World ID, and you're part of the WorldCoin network. They say it's about creating a world where your identity opens doors to economic opportunity. Sounds sketchy to me. Do you think WorldCoin is a bold step into the future or a dystopian sci-fi plot? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.